Ready for some pulling action? Right. Burning the tires. Dan Slett just seemed like to hold it back. We have a little conference here. John Mayer will talk with.
Face, two big eyes. I'll do the third eye and love it.
Yeah, not one word. Man.
Shut it down. Not liking something.
Nice pass there, Clint. On addiction. Nice pass, Jeff. A little lighter, no horsepower, no wheel speed. Boy, he's still got the front end up in the air. Nice one.
No doubt.
Front wheels up and rear wheel just.
Aye.
Bert just laid down 325 and 10. Henry 303.4. 303.4. Oh yeah, nice pass. Boy, right on the hole there. You cleaned out the little buggers. Things settled down, right on goal. Nice pass there, Tim. Dave, let's see what you can do.
We got about
Oh no. Got him a little squirrely there. Bunker too far to the left. Found the white line. Hey, not bad for a sick engine. Back took it off and pulled to the left a little bit. He was on that brake hard to stay away from the white line and pulled her back. He hasn't got to fix it, he brakes it, so he's not afraid to bend that throttle.
hang on. We'll try it again.
Okay, build a little more heat in it. Come on. We want heat on the inside of the engine, not outside. Posters, a bunch of track markers, fire extinguisher. Look at this. Richie's distance, 340 feet even. Tractor went a little real hard to the right. He was using all the brake he could to bring it back. Got it straightened out, went off the brake. Chains are tight. It's up to you now, Zoe. Come on, girl, wind her out.
There she goes. Oh, I thought she had it.
Almost.
One more time. One more time. One more time.
As per the rules, everybody has 2 attempts to make 100 feet. And she didn't quite make it, obviously. Running, chains are tight, got the green flags. Come on, Zoe, wind that thing out. Let's go.
Yeah. go.
Okay. Got her to come to light. Beautiful. Nice job. You know the first thing she says when she was home tonight is, I want more power, Dad. More power.
Good job, Zoe.
Zoe's distance. 177.1. 171.7 and 1. Sounds like she's a crowd favorite. He knows where the throttle is, though. He's getting her wound up. See John Bell fans here. Chain reaction. Final hook of the Superstock class. Distance. See if he made the 325 mark.
He did.
Let's see here. 323.3. Just missed it.
It looked like good. Come here. This is the full pull.
Shoulder straps.
There should be two tractors, but a little more
It's up to
patient
Bert.
will not make it. So
Where's he gonna
determination is going to be the winner. Just got to move the sled.
Blast it out the end again.
He's going to go pull it all the way down. Watch this.
Well,
he didn't
that's
pull
all
it.
it takes.
That's
It's
it.
official.
Still won.
Bert is your winner. He came back from pull off, made a measurable distance. And
All right, it's an exhibition
okay.
pull. Reborn binder.
Chris Cole waiting on the chains get tightened up.
Exhibition.
Really things look good there. We got green lights on the sled. Thumbs up by Dave the crewman. The tractor sounds better than it did before. Let's see how it runs. Come on, Chris. Put her down there. Why couldn't have done that an hour ago? Nice pass, Chris. That's gotta make it feel better.
Thanks for watching.
Well, that will conclude our show for 2016. Thank you for coming out.